Afternoon everyone, my name is Johnny Ambigabili, 22 years old, 5'7". My hobby in life is I'm currently a fitness coach, and my talent is fire dancing and poin.
Candidate number 38. Hello.
Yes po.
I'm here. Define the youth of today.
Siguro ma-define ko po as stubborn.
Why?
Because marami pong kids na masyado nang tutok sa gadgets, which is nakaka-apekto sa mga bata, and hindi rin masyado natututuan ng parents. That's why siguro maganda pong ma-implement is mas pagtutukan para magulang yung mga bata dito sa paggamit ng mga gadgets.
And is this your first pageant?
This is my first time na nag-national pageant ko, and the rest puro barangay pageant.
What do you mean barangay? Barangay fiesta?
Puro barangay.
Now, you're quite interesting, but I want to know you more. As a young people, how can you help our government to eradicate poverty?
For eradicating poverty, I feel like hindi na po talaga kayang maayos ang poverty as of now because there's so many governments corrupting the money. But the thing is, we can lessen the corruptions itself by providing some needs like food or giving the property work so they can provide in their own.
Okay, last question. Para lighter naman.
Okay pa.
Favorite color and why?
Favorite color ko po is black because it's represent on me because I have been anxiety in the past few years, like in pandemic po, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety because I don't have any things to do, and that's why mas pinili ko po yung black because the meaning of black means para sa akin is peaceful, silence, and peace of mind. Sa talent po.
Sure.
Music po, that's silence. Any music po. Kahit anong music lang po.
How long have you been practicing poi?
I started practicing poi way back 2016, and I learned it from my uncle because I wanted to be a fire dancer like him because it can be source of money like racket and may racket. So nag-decide ko akong aralin siya, and ayun po, nakuha naman ko, natutunan naman left of time.
Okay, aside from your talent, how can you, what is your edge over the other candidates? So aside from your talent, I know you have a good talent actually. Yes. Aside from your talent, what is your edge over the other candidates to win the title Mr. Grand Philippines?
Ang edge ko po siguro is pagiging confident sa harap ng camera. And sometimes other candidate may not be confident enough to be to the front, but I guarantee that that's the only thing I can provide, the confidence.
Okay, follow-up question. Any advocacy?
Ang advocacy ko po is mental health, at the same time is health, fitness, lifestyle po. So bakit po kasama ang fitness life? Kasi po, ang mental health po natin, minsan hindi po natin siya naayos through vocally. So maybe do it physically like jogging, weightlifting, anything na makakatulong po sa health natin for distracting our anxiety. So yun po, yung outro.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you po.
Eto pa habol na question para sa iyo. Ano ang significance ng male beauty pageant in this age of Gen Z or Generation Z? Ano ang significance ng male beauty pageant in this age of Generation Z?
By the meaning of significant po,
Kahalagahan.
halaga. So, I'm the Gen Z. Power po. Para po sa akin, difference ng Gen Z and millennials or other generations, wala naman po masyadong pinagkaiba. Yun. Lahat naman po kami lumalaban and para po sa akin, it's still the same. Lahat po mahalaga, even though sa other generations. Parehas po kami ng mga pinaglalaban, which is yung manalo po dito sa pageant na ganito. Thank you po.
Are we good? Okay, thank you so much, contestant number 38.